Good evening, dear students. I wish you are doing well along with your family. I hope all must have gone through the poem and would have understood it. Please do the task given to you. Don't waste your valuable time. Though the time is difficult, we all need to cooperate each other and utilize our time properly. So, let's recall the poem once more. We have seen in this poem a brave girl named Isabel. Let us see whom all she met and how she dealt with every person or every creature she met in her life. First we see Isabel met a very big bear. But Isabel did not worry at all. The bear was very hungry. It threatened Isabel that it would eat her. But rather than screaming or running away, Isabel ate the bear up. Next we see meet a witch. The witch, as we know, uses the magical power for a wrong thing. So she told Isabel that she would turn Isabel to a toad. People, toad is a frog. It is like a frog, but the skin is little drier and it is not very smooth. So the witch cursed Isabel or told Isabel that she would turn Isabel to a toad. But Isabel at such difficult situation also did not panic. Neither she was scared. What she did? She turned the witch into milk and drank her. Later we see in the poem that Isabel met a very horrible giant. And the giant told Isabel that it would grind her bones to make his bread. So at such situation also we have seen a brave girl Isabel did not get feared or scared. What she did rather? She cut the head of giant. Lastly we see Isabel met a doctor who was very annoying and troublesome. Mostly the doctors are very cool and patient and polite, but here the doctor was very troublesome. He was poking, punching Isabel, and he has even asked Isabel to eat the medicine. But Isabel at such situation also did not cooperate the doctor and go with the medicine treatment. What she did? She gave the medicine to the doctor. In fact, short of every answer and help their kids to do the work. The first question is, how did Isabel do before she ate the beer? So the answer is, Isabel washed her hands and straightened her hair up before she ate the beer. The next question is, what did the witch look like? The witch's face was crossed and wrinkled, and she had scary teeth and gums. The next question is, how did Isabel deal with the witch? Isabel turned the witch into milk and drank her. Fourth question is, what did the giant want to do to Isabel? The giant wanted to grind Isabel's bone, that is into fine powder, to make his bread. What was Isabel doing meeting with the giant? Isabel was eating a wee bag. And what is a wee bag? It is a type of a bread. What did the doctor want Isabel to do? The doctors wanted Isabel to swallow some pills. Pills means, students, medicines. How did Isabel deal with the doctor? Isabel cured the doctor, maybe by making him eat his own pills. So what she might have done? She might have asked the doctor only to eat the medicine. Eighth question. These are the long question, people, so please see and learn it properly. Do all the characters that Isabel meets behave in the way that you expect them to? The bear, the witch, and the giant behave in ways that we expect them to because they are wild and evil. But the doctors are expected to be polite and patient with the patients. But here we see a doctor who is annoying and irritating. Ninth answer. What details from the poem shows us that Isabel is self-reliant? Isabel does not panic or ask for help. She deals with the situations herself. First she met a bear, then a witch, next a horrid giant, and finally a troublesome doctor. But rather than getting scared or running away, she all alone dealt with them boldly. So students, please note down the answer in the copy, whatever you are having, and start the learning part. I have tried to give the answer in a very simplest language. So please utilize your time and do the work whatever is assigned to you. Thank you and have a nice evening.